What's up, YouTube? It is I, A.R.A.B, and that is spelled A.R.A.B. Auto revs and banter, that is what that means. Yes, today I have my Z06 2026, and I'll be taking it for a ride. Y'all are going to be coming along. Just wanted to give y'all a quick close-up here. Take y'all around the Corvette, see what it's like. Alright, enough of that. Let's hop in and get going. Okay. See, this right here is my favorite part. I was watching a video on YouTube and a guy was talking about his 5 things that he hated about the Corvette Z06. This is one of my favorites. So over here on the right, we got my R8W by Uniden. Hopefully the piggies won't be catching us anytime soon, going fast. Let's get our GPS on. And let's get our performance display on. We got our G-force, we got our engine output, we've got all the temperature gauges, and on the left here we got my tires, their pressure, and the temperature of the tires. Let's get rolling. One thing in this life that I hate is speed bumps, especially in a low sports car like this. Well, I wasn't expecting to make a raining video, a video of me driving in the rain, but it looks like it's starting to rain right now. It's been raining all week on and off, so we're gonna make it happen regardless. Hit this right turn. Pow! Oh yeah! You know what I love about this car is the presence and the speed, the acceleration. Just wherever I want to go, whatever lane, just look at it, hit the accelerator, boom, I'm there. It's incredible. It's amazing. I'm very blessed to have a car like this. I hope for each and one of my viewers that one day you'll have your dream car. This is not necessarily my dream car, but it's definitely up there. My dream car is a Ferrari. Now, what kind of Ferrari? I was looking at the F8 recently, last of its kind, turbocharged. No batteries on it. No batteries, just a turbocharger, and really that's enough for me. I love old-fashioned things. I don't really care too much for all the electrified this, electrified that. Got somebody in front of you. Driving fast enough, you'll always find somebody in front of you. I guess that's what the track is for, right? Let's get in the left lane here. Get in that left lane. I mean, the engine sound is just amazing. It's unbelievable that an American sports car, an American supercar, has a sound like this. Chevy is really changing the playing field. Aspirated 5.5 liter V8 producing 670 horsepower, and it's all mine. Woo-ha-ha! Goodbye. Goodbye. What an absolute track weapon this thing is. Excellent. I'm trying to make a video, an entertaining video, driving my Z06, and, well, there's a whole bunch of traffic. Not much I can do about that. Sorry about that, guys. That Infinity, what is that? Is that a wide body, or you just put the wheels out there, sticking out of the body? What do y'all think of that? I think that's cool, or not. I don't really care much for it. I don't really care much for the look of the wheels sticking out from the side. I like them to be flush with the body. I can't pick a lane here. I'm just all over the place. Exit 26, 26, 26. Now, if it's a KA band, then those are the ones you really want to pay attention to. But I don't think it's gonna matter because once again, we're gonna have cars in front of us. You know what? I hate speed bumps, and I also hate one-lane roads. There is no way to overtake the person that's going the speed limit. Like this guy way up front. He's the only guy. He's the only guy up there. He's just going whatever speed, going the speed limit, exactly the speed limit, and there's no way we can get around him. It's the worst. See that? That's how you drive. You get in the lane, you get in the far right lane, and then you just cut in front of everybody else. Boom, boom, boom. That's the way you do it in a Corvette because you can. Yes, sir. People will hate, but that's okay. They don't have a Corvette. Yes, here we are, Burger King, and that will mark the end of this video. I am hungry, so I will go inside and eat. But before that, I'm gonna check out the front of my car because I think I got some garbage that flew into my car, so I'm gonna see if there's any damage. That's the thing about public roads is you never know what you're gonna run into. Alright, see you guys next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all that nice stuff. Just check out the car. Hopefully ain't nothing happened. I just washed it too. I just washed my car. Let's see here. No, we're looking all right.